Hello everyone and welcome to CyberWar. I'm Victor. Today we're going to compare some tools for subdomain scanning and see which one finds the largest number of subdomains. How's this resolution for you? Should it be okay? Let me show you what I mean. We're just going to take a scope from HackerOne and find some one which has a wildcard domain, meaning we can scan and test the entire thing, and then compare, see which one has the largest, which software finds the largest number of domains. I'm gonna use my axiom-scan for this because I don't want to go through the effort of installing each of the tools. Just want to look. There was a list with it's here. The tools that it has already installed. Anyway, let's start the fleet first. All right, so I'm starting a small fleet with 20 instances. Let me find the code for this. It's here. All right, so we can use amass, probably also Aquatone, asset finder, DNS recon, maybe, definitely DNS X. Which other? Find domain, possibly. I can make this work, gather other URLs to find subdomains. GitHub subdomains looks like something you would want to use. Which I'm not sure about these two, but I don't think so. Mass DNS, no, not. We're not doing brute force. It's good for brute force, but we're not doing any brute force. Pure DNS, maybe for word lists, but no, we're not going to use any word lists. Subfinder, yeah. And that's about it. All right. Let's find the program. Actually, let's go to bound data. Have you heard about the latest the largest bug bounty paid in the recently, and not by a crypto program? So some guy just got no, sorry, 200,000 dollars. Well, he's not just some guy. He's like an experienced professional with a few decades. Here, this one, 200,000 awarded. Anyway, um, here are the wildcard domains, and we're just gonna choose one. Something that looks big enough to have a lot of subdomains, I guess. Actually, you know what? No, I don't see it in the scope here. Amazon AWS, but it's not in the scope. What the hell? Let's do Coca-Cola.com. All right. So later. Okay. I need to increase the font a bit because I might have exaggerated with the fleet because we're gonna scan only one domain. So I'm not going to use the fleet as it's intended. I'm going to scan using the specific tool from each separate instance. So on Cyber War 1, I'm going to use, let's say, amass. On 2, I'm going to use something else. But let's see how it goes. Oh, and also I'm not going to put in any keys, any API keys for any services. Okay, for a mass, I'm going to use both modes, passive and active, and see what happens. So let's try. Yeah, still need a few seconds. Oh, sorry. Um, I need to mount some drives to the virtual machine. That's why this isn't working. Let's do. Seriously? So yeah, I did a mistake. I started Axiom before attaching my volumes. I'm using volumes for the logs and for the temporary folders of Axiom because sometimes the scans can download like hundreds of gigabytes. So I don't know why it used to work to this command here. It used to work to remove all of them at once, but now it's all right. Plus, I'm gonna start only 5 because it's a waste to start more. Uh, I think it was Axiom update, maybe. But I'm gonna pause this. All right. So actually, there was nothing wrong with the computer, but the authors changed the command axiom scp ssh, and the old one exists, but it gives an error. So this is what you do. And now I'm using this instance. And you can just go amass, boom, and all right, I just started it on this one. All right. On this one, I started subfinder. So I have the hosts until 22. So here it's 18, here is 19. All right. No, sorry. Yeah. Let's. Sorry, it was SSH. Axiom SCP is to copy the files. So I was, yeah, okay. I don't know why it was like a obvious mistake, but amass and active. What? So amass passive found 1,000 subdomains. And for active, did I get the correct? Yeah. Subfinder. Where are we with Subfinder? Oh, come on. Subfinder found 923 in 8 seconds. So this is with the defaults, okay? We're not brute forcing, we're not doing anything. All right. What else? So we need to do, is this one? No. No, Genesis. No, it just validates them, it doesn't find them. Go plus. So this one gathers the URLs, but yeah. Okay, so how does it work? Go plus. Um, and let's try this one. So I'm trying to get only the subdomains into a new file. The active one is still working. The subfinder is out. What is this find domain? No. Okay, impressive. Let's try. Okay. Oh, okay. So this one uses amass and subfinder. Okay. I know this is something else. This would be like using aquatone. It's a bit. The active mode of amass is still working on it. Okay, I did something wrong. Be sure taking its time. Let's start another one. Sorry. So there is one subfinder I used, sublister. It's not installed on a default Axiom. Let's see if we can get it installed. Um, it installs subroot apparently. Okay, so sorry. All right. What? Okay. Um, okay, so now let's go back to the gather all URLs. So it found 130,000 URLs. That's not what we want. Two. So it's the third one. Okay. Okay. So it found 830. Wait. Trying to do something, but anyway. So gather all URLs found 830. Although it's actually 663 because for some of them it had ports, but they were double. So still a pretty good deal, right? The same as all right. So something wrong with sublister. I don't know what it is, but I'm not doing any. I'm not doing anything to investigate. Well, only if amass active would be. Okay. So these are the instances. All right. So I need to copy everything that ends in out on the entire fleet to the current folder. Was that an error? Um, Let's try. How's that? Making a mistake here. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but so this one have it. Mass. I have it. So between the three of them, it found in total 1300, and most of them were the ones from amass. The passive mode. This is gonna take a while. I'm not gonna wait for it to end. I might leave the results in the description, but anyway, amass is winning anyway. There is something else which works amazingly fast. It's something called pure DNS brute force. Let me show you. So, for example, you can make it resolve domains, or you can make it brute force a word list and a domain with these resolvers. And using Axiom, you can go through all the words in the word lists blazing fast. I might do a video on that. All right, thank you all for watching. I did some rookie mistakes today. The one with using axiom-scan and confusing it with axiom-sh, but of course I know which is which. And then the second one now, like if I want to catch everything that's out, I can't. So this star here doesn't work for me. I don't know why. I have a feeling that it worked in the past, but maybe I'm crazy. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you didn't already, and I don't know, hit me with some question if you want to. Amass for the win. Goodbye.